Good morning friends, this is Deepa here joining you all from Lucknow.
Today, I am taking you to a special temple where there is no murti, no door or no pandit. But still, people visit and make a wish. They come regularly and worship as any other temple in India. Yes, you heard it right, a temple with no idol, no door or no pujari. It's just a belief and special blessings from Mata. Watch this video till the end to know where, which temple it is and when to visit. Hi, I am Deepa, a pet parent, passionate crafter and a homemaker. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have come to a temple to make a wish for my mom-in-law whose birthday falls on 17th April. That is, on the day this video is being uploaded. Please wish a very happy birthday and good health, long life to my mother-in-law. I also come to this temple on my mom's birthday. That means I have visited twice and compiled a video to share my experience with you. I know, pandemic is giving us new challenges in life. So let's be spirited, positive, eat healthy, exercise and follow all COVID precautions. Stay connected with me always. I would like to inform you that I have taken all COVID precautions in making this video. Without much ado, let's begin. The moment I saw this temple on the Lucknow-Varanasi highway, I remembered Jhula Devi Mandir of Ranikhet in Uttarakhand. So I thought of making a film on this temple. In this video, I am taking you to a famous Mari Mata Mandir in Lucknow. It's a small temple located on highway of Sultanpur Road. Here, you can see a n number of bells tied by visitors. Visitors come here more in number to this temple on Friday and Mondays.
Come, let's go inside and explore it.
I have come on odd day, so not much of visitors during this pandemic. The speciality of this temple is there are no idol or photo inside this temple, but still people come and worship due to sheer faith. I got down next to the temple, parked my vehicle, walked a few steps. Here I found few shops who sells items like bells, sweets and puja items.
Okay. इसमें कोई मेला वगैरह लगता है, स्पेशल डे है?
मेला रामनवमी वाले दिन लगता है।
रामनवमी
तो अब की उनको लगता लग नहीं पाएगा कि वो परमिशन मिल नहीं पाएगा इनको।
अच्छा।
ये कोरोना की वजह से मेला नहीं लग पाएगा।
ओके।
There is no specific place to leave your footwear, so I left my footwear outside. Once I entered the temple, I noticed lot of bells of different sizes. Whosoever visits this temple makes a wish and ties a bell. The bells, tied by many like-minded people, are themselves symbolic of their strong faith and conviction for this temple towards fulfillment of their wishes.
अभी का कोई नहीं बता सकती कब से 5 पीढ़ी बीत गई है। 4-5 पीढ़ी बीत गई, कोई पता नहीं। बहुत पुराना है। हाँ, और माता जी प्रगट आपा है। हाँ,
ओके। और पूजा पाठ कब होता है? पूजा पाठ
करो। हाँ, सोमवार ज़्यादा हो। सोमवार ज़्यादा हो। और ये सब हो। हाँ, सब जो मांगे हो तो पई हो, फिर तो मांगो माता हमका दियो, तो सही दे। बाल गोपाल मांगो, बाल गोपाल पई हो, जो मांगो।
बस में एक लोग गिरने वाले थे, बहुत लोग बस में बैठे यहीं पे पुल पे गिरने वाले थे, लेकिन बस है। आगे जितने भी दूर तक यहाँ पे होते तो कुछ लोग नहीं रह पाते, लेकिन यहाँ पे सब मान्यता है, इसलिए यहाँ पे तो ये मंदिर बन के निकला था। तो यहीं की मान्यता है, जब मन्नत पूरी होती है, ये सारी घंटियाँ मन्नत की। तो इसी शुक्र सोमवार इसी को ज़्यादा मानता है। तो शुक्र सोमवार सब लोग ज़्यादा आते हैं और नवरात्र में यहाँ पर मेला लगता है।
On the left side, there is a barricade to control movement of vehicles and avoid accidents, since it is located on the highway. I also interacted with people who were sitting outside the temple. I also brought some puja items and prayed for good health of my mom-in-law. On the other side of the temple, there are photos of God and goddesses. Do visit this temple and make your wish. I wish to come to this temple again to pray for ending the pandemic very soon by some miraculous invention or discovery. Is it not interesting? If you found worth, please share the video among your friends. Thanks for watching my video. You know, I put lot of effort in getting versatile content, so do encourage me to come with interesting topics. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.